Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. Now this video is just a watch and learn, guys. Watch me work. So it's nothing too much. Just take away what you can and add it to your own technique. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not too long, so Lego. Now, really quick, I would really like to say hey to all the new handlers. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-to tutorials, unboxings, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. And guys, there is now membership where you can pay monthly to support the channel, or you can pay also monthly to have individual membership only videos for your tutorials, how-tos. If you really need to learn how to do something in depth and you need up close and personal attention, just join the membership and I will handle it for you. So if you want to learn how to rod wave the right way, you're in the right place. And stick around, make sure you press the like button, make sure you're subscribed, and leave me a comment to let me know if you have any questions so I can handle that for you. And just keep watching, because it's a method to the madness, guys, for these rods to stay in properly and for them to hit right. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm trying to incorporate, you know, something different in my videos just until I'm comfortable with, you know, just doing lives and I'm ready and prepared. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I was very informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah!